It's vacuuming time in the McQuestion household. Thomas is like, what? Matthew, not so fast.
Matthew, are you encouraging this?
Hey, Riley, come here. Riley, come. No, not Thomas. Hey, Matthew, I want to do something. Riley, come here. Come here. Let's see your stitches or your staples. Come here. Come here. Sit. She also has 3. Yeah. That's from all of the great and wonderful things that she likes to do. I can't even tell you how many times this poor dog's had staples or stitches in her. She is so crazy at getting into things that sometimes she overdoes it.